Gemini, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, money reading, March 2026. Check natin po yung energy kung paano yung inflow, outflow, at yung palabas, at saka yung growth ng pentacles natin. So, importante po yan na makapag-prepare tayo what to expect. Kasi hindi naman po lahat ng tao may mataba yung bank account or merong malaking sweldo. Tama po ba? Yung iba nagtitinda lang, empleyado, so may fixed salary. So tignan natin yung current situation. First card, 3-card spread. First, current situation, yun yung pumapasok na pera. Second card is yung obstacle, yun yung gastusin, yung mga emergency. Third is yung solution. Kung pwede ba tayo makaipon pa. Okay? So March, tignan natin. Gemini, yung sitwasyon ni Gemini. March, money reading. One card. First card, tignan natin. First card. First card. Oops. Okay. First card. Oh, feeling mo wala kang pera o nag-iisip ka kung saan ko kukuha. Yeah? Okay. May trabaho ba itong si Gemini na ito or mahina yung benta? Okay. Sa negosyo, namumroblema ka na, natatakot ka na kung kailan ulit mayroong o-order. Kung meron kang trabaho, hindi naman ganong kalakihan. Yeah? Yun ang yun ang present state of mind mo. Tapos nabobore ka pa sa trabaho mo or nabobore ka pa sa ginagawa mo kasi paulit-ulit na lang. Okay? So, yung mood mo, minsan naapektuhan, yung isip mo actually naapektuhan dun sa present situation mo sa trabaho. Okay? As far as money is concerned, it's not something na solid. Yeah? Pero nadadala ka lang noong mabilis kang maapektuhan ng halimbawa, ay tataas yung presyo ng gasolina. Okay? So, dinadala mo yan, ay tataas yung presyo ng renta. Okay? Is nag-i-strategize ka rin pero merong fear. Yeah? Na, baka nagkakagera sa ibang bansa, tataas yung presyo ng mga import-export. Mga ganun yan, naapektuhan ka, tataas yung how do you call it? Inflation. Yeah? Madidevalue yung sweldo ko. O, yung mga ganun tipo yan, nag-iisip ka. Okay? Yan ang situation mo now. So, as far as money is concerned, hindi ka mapupunta sa 8 of Swords kung sobra-sobra. Yeah? So, this is on the right amount of inflow. Tignan natin yung second card. Ano yung obstacle na dapat mong malaman kung meron kang gastusin or meron kang dapat meron kang kinakatakutan dito. Okay. Second card. Ano ba yung outflow obstacle ni Gemini situation? Yeah. One, okay. See? So, why you are worrying? Ten of Pentacles. So, this is a family who is solid in terms of money. Yeah? O ayaw mo humingi ng tulong. Kaya ka namomroblema ka dahil sa palagay mo na yung expectation na lahat po tayo, meron tayong standard ng what is expensive and what is cheap. Okay? Meron tayong benchmark. Yung mura sa atin, iba yung category ng mura sa iba. What is cheap? Kung ikaw nakakaya mong kumain sa fast food, mura sa iyon, sa iba, fast food is mahal. Okay? So, I think ang problema ni Gemini is yung category or yung lifestyle mo. Okay? So, that's becoming a challenge for you. So, nakikiayon ka ba? Ko yung authenticity, yung sabi ng full moon and new moon. Okay? So, kung wala kang issue about makikisabay sa iba, I don't say you have problem in financial or money challenges in the month of March. Okay? So, the money is solid. If that's what you worry, kumbaga sa nagtitinda ka, darating, expect of us an inflow. Okay? Kung nagtatrabaho ka sa employer, minimum wage or maski na ano yung trabaho mo, type of work mo now, contractual or whatsoever, the money is still solid, there's nothing wrong, and there's nothing to worry about. Unless hindi mo masabayan yung expectation ng family mo or you are extravagant, okay? That's something na you need to check also. I don't see problem for you in March na dapat mong problemahin. So get out of that 8 of Swords kasi sa mind mo lang yan. Baka madali kang ano ba tawag dito, mabola or matukso or mainggit sa iba. Okay? So tingnan natin yung growth mo, yung NA solution. Solution. Okay. Let's see the third card. Gemini. One card. Let's see the solution. Solution. Okay. Ilan yung binigay dito? Okay. Okay, 5. Okay. So, you're waiting for the news. Okay? So, ito ba yung salary increase na hinihintay mo? Or loan? Okay? You're gonna have that news also. Clarity. Kaya ka siguro nabibitin. Hindi mo alam ito. Kumbaga sa ano yung commission na hindi nadidelay. Yung back pay, something to that effect, hindi mo pa nahihintay. And hindi pa dumarating at wala pang formal announcement. Yeah? Okay. Expect that in March. Okay? Yan, dami mong choices kasi ito yung mga paggagastusin mo. Okay? So, just be cautious on how you spend your money. Yeah? This is, can be illusion. Ito yung tipong mabubola ka or, madali kang bumigay din minsan madali kang ma-impluensyahan. Okay, cautious on that one. Yeah, okay, you're also dealing with Aries. Okay, this is powerful and strong authority. Yeah, if you're looking for that, ito yung mga boss figure. Yeah, expect a windfall of promotion and anything expansion sa present situation mo now. Yeah, so kung may business ka, so somebody also na with authority will help you to expand your, no matter what type of or what form of business mo, Gemini, no matter how big or small it is, merong expansion here. Yeah, okay. Yung obligation mo, you're weighing it. Yeah, understandable. Kaya yung minsan po kasi yung timing yeah, hindi mo alam. Yun ang medyan magiging sakit ni Gemini. Pagiging controlling mo rin. Okay, yung timing. Halimbawa, baka mamaya meron kang babayaran o may nagkasakit, nagwo-worry ka rin doon, tapos wala pa yung money, gusto mo makita siya sa bank account. Yeah, don't worry, itarating yun in the month of March. Maghintay ka, huwag ka mainip. Yeah, and just celebrate. Yeah, so walang problema for the month of March kay Gemini. So get out of that headspace mo na ay baka hindi matuloy or there is a little bit delay. There is a little bit delay. Actually, hindi naman yung ganong kalakihan na delay Hindi naman ganong kalakihan na delay. Hinihintay lang yung ma-approve yung Meron akong baga sa sa bangko, hindi naman kaagad na pag binigay mo yung mga dokumento, ma-approve ka agad Or bigla ka na lang mapopromote. Ganon, maraming proseso din po yan. Yun ang naglalaro. Okay, four of wands. That's your higher vibration. Believe in yourself. Kasi merong somebody in authority. Kung ito yung hinihintay mo, kumbaga sa yung presidente ng bangko, kailangan pirmahan yung loan. Or yung sa promotion mo, yung presidente kailangan pirmahan. Nagbakasyon lang. Kaya, nagbakasyon lang. This is news and clarity. So, makukuha mo yan sa March. So, regarding financial matter, there's nothing to worry about. Pipirmahan na yung kontrata, pipirmahan na yung loan, ganyan po yan. Pipirmahan na yung lease noong rerentahan mong negosyo, pipirmahan na yung, ano pa ang gusto mo? Pipirmahan na yung any agreement, yung halimbawa, tatanggalin yung interest, yung mga ganun tipo, that's how you gonna win that, you gonna have that inflow of money. Yeah. So, just be cautious on where you put your money kasi minsan na-influensyan ka. Okay, bigyan natin ng ano pa, validation. I just want to get validation. May growth ka in terms of money. Okay? But, yung ano lang, yung isip mo, naglalaro. Yung timing po kasi, timing. Okay, validation, one card. Gemini, one card validation. One card validation. Kung yung situation na to, halimbawa, lalo yung retiree, wala naman source of income yun, kundi yung pension. Tama po ba? Okay. So, it's, tapos nadidelay. Ganyan po yan. Tapos kailangan din natin magbayad ng buwan-buwang renta or buwan-buwang kuryente. Tama po, pambili ng gamot. Yeah? So, may effect din yung halimbawa na-delay yung something na ano mo. Okay, you're dealing with Virgo. Okay, so this is about patience. Patience, you're dealing with Virgo. You're dealing also with Aries. Okay, so yun ang mga powerful people na may influence at kung bakit it's either na delay or kung magbabagsak ng promotion mo or ma-approve na yung yung biyahe mo. Yeah, those are related to money also kasi it's work related. So, I don't see any challenges. It's gonna be a windfall of money. Ayan, kinakausap ka, Sabi ganun sa'yo, Gemini, okay? Huwag kang mainip kasi darating naman yan sa Marso, Relax ka lang. Sabi ni Virgo, yeah, okay. Just keep what you're doing. Yeah, yung headspace mo, clear it. Makikita mo yung liwanag, tanggalin mo yung mo. Marami kasing minsan mga tricky na situation, lalo kapag hindi tayo familiar doon sa dynamics. Halimbawa, yung nag-loan, ang dami-daming requirement. Yung maski na yung pumunta ka sa government office, tama po ba, pabago-bago, tapos pinababalik-balik ka pa ng mamamasahe ka pa, etc. Kakapiranggot lang naman yung kukunin mo. Ganun po yung tipo. So, yung navigating, yung sistema, minsan, yun ang nakakapagbigay sa atin ng problema. Yeah? But you don't need to worry, Gemini. So, it's a windfall. It's a celebration. Yeah? Okay. So, March money reading. So, magpakapi ka, Gemini. Salamat.